wonder if trains can go through there now. If you notice, the whole pole is gone for this side that we're driving on. The other side is there, but if a train comes, you won't know because the pole's gone. And it's cut in half, like what's left of it. Have to check it out. See what I'm talking about. I know, I'll get a picture of it when I'm going back to the yard tonight. Yes. Yes. That's what he gets. Trying to be fast. Now he's on that guy's butt. Switching lanes. Can't stop because the guy's turning. So stupid. Ah.